Hi everyone and welcome to another Louis tutorial. Now, like most YouTube creators that like producing quality content, one of the most important areas in video production is great audio. Personally, I'm a huge fan of all Rode microphones and very proud considering they're an Australian-owned company. Just in case you couldn't tell by my accent, I am an Australian. I'm not from the UK or from New Zealand. I am an Aussie. So today I would like to do a sound comparison test between the Smartlav Plus, the Rodelink Filmmaker kit lavalier mic, and the fairly new Rode Wireless Go microphone. I will be testing both the Smartlav Plus and the Filmmaker Lab using the Wireless Go kit, and then I will test the Wireless Go standalone microphone at the end. Now please note that I will not be doing any post-processing on the final audio, so this way we get a nice and fair comparison. I will also make sure to position the microphone at the same distance from my mouth, and that way we can gauge which one has the best gain structure. First up, we'll test the Smartlav Plus, which is the cheapest of the three and in my opinion an excellent lapel mic for the money. Now please note that in order to use this microphone with the Rode Wireless Go system, you will need to purchase the Rode SC3 adapter, which will convert your TRRS connector into a TRS connection. For all of the tests, I will be reciting the first paragraph of the Rode About Us webpage. Welcome to Rode Microphones, a uniquely Australian owned and operated audio company. Our home is in beautiful Sydney, just 20 kilometres west of Sydney's downtown area and right near the home of the Sydney 2000 Olympics. Now let's do a test of the lapel mic that comes with the Rodelink Filmmaker kit. This lapel mic doesn't require any adapters and is fully compatible with the Wireless Go system. Welcome to Rode Microphones, a uniquely Australian owned and operated audio company. Our home is in beautiful Sydney, just 20 kilometres west of Sydney's downtown area and right near the home of the Sydney 2000 Olympics. And finally, now we'll test the inbuilt microphone on the Wireless Go transmitter. This is a great option if you don't want to fuss around with miking up your subject or yourself, because it simply clips on and away you go. Welcome to Rode Microphones, a uniquely Australian owned and operated audio company. Our home is in beautiful Sydney, just 20 kilometres west of Sydney's downtown area and right near the home of the Sydney 2000 Olympics. So which one of these microphone options do you think produced the best sound quality? I would love to know your opinion, so please let me know in the comment section of this video. If you enjoy my content, give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon if you would like to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And until next time, take care and thanks for watching.